The story follows Maya, an aspiring entrepreneur who turns a frayed household habit into a scalable repair kit service. She spots tradespeople wasting hours hunting tools, so she designs modular kits that snap together and cut search time. With a lean budget, Maya tests the concept in a makerspace, partners with local suppliers, and learns fast. Customers sign up, profits rise, and data shows which modules save the most hours, enabling smarter investments. A citywide pilot then proves the idea scales, inspiring rivals to innovate while Maya redefines value through practical perseverance.